Welcome to friends TechnoTrend Jai. Today is the 25th February 2024. You can follow me on the Twitter TechnoTrend_Jai. Let's discuss the Nifty and the Bank Nifty for the next week. Here I have posted the Nifty chart. It will give a breakout. Let's see what's it actually happening after my posting the video. After the posting of my tweet, Nifty not give a breakout, it's given a little bit breakdown or take a support of the 22,200. If Nifty in the 15-minute charts break the 22,200, then we will enter into short side as per 15-minute candle and our stop loss is 40 rupees. Let's see in the day chart. In the day chart, it's give a breakout and taking the support of the breakout level. If Monday it will take a support and the bounce back, then you can carry for the 2 to 3 days buying position and take advantage of the breakout momentum. Let's see in the weekly time frame what's happening in the weekly time frame. It's also given a breakout. Let's see in the Bank Nifty. First of all, we will discuss in the 15-minute chart. As per my tweet, in the Bank Nifty also not given a breakout. It's given a breakdown, but we are on the buy side, so there is a no any trade in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty was triggered. Let's see in the 15-minute chart what is happening in the Bank Nifty is playing a range between the 47,150 to 46,600. After breakout of the above level or below level, we will enter as per the 15-minute chart. Let's see in the day chart. Day chart is also given a break out of W pattern and take a support of the W pattern breakout level and then bounce back. Let's see on the Monday what is happening in the Bank Nifty. In the weekly chart, it's also given a support. So as per my view, Nifty can buy only for 2 to 3 days because it's already 365 days high level and Bank Nifty is still not break the 48,000 all-time high. It's probably to Bank Nifty give a momentum on the buy side and the Nifty will narrow range or given a breakdown at the upper level. As per my view, I am focusing on the Nifty on the short side. Let's see in the some good scripts which already discussed on our last video. Last video we already discussed that the Reliance given 23,000 breakout and the 3,000 is the our target. Target is already achieved and Reliance is also on the all-time high level breakout level. Let's see the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is again making a W pattern to break down. If it will break down, then we will accumulate another around 1200. Or if we will break above the 1430, then we will again on the buy side accumulation. Let's see in the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is slowly going upside and now we try to take again retest level 1050 and then again bounce back. Kotak Bank is Kotak Bank is also as per HDFC chart. Let's see in the gold. I have already tweeted that the gold is a good level for the upside moment 10 to 15 percentage and it will touch the all-time high within a few days or 1 or 2 months. Let's see the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also given a breakout and taking the support and some profit booking will see and again will bounce back. So as per my view, Nifty is a little bit in the narrow range and the bank nifty will try to give a all breakout all time high. If both are not breakout given a breakout of the yesterday's high, then the reverse trend bearish trend will start. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.